Welcome back to the channel. In this in-depth mega HR review, we explore how its AI features could be the key to unlock unprecedented efficiency and strategic insight. So to get started, Mega HR is like a super smart helper for companies. It's a type of computer programs that makes doing HR stuff easier. HR means things like hiring a new people, keeping track of employees, and helping everyone working together. So Mega HR use computer to do many of these tasks quickly and correctly. Think of it as a digital assistance for people who manage a company team. It helps save times and make sure everything runs smoothly and easier. Now, talking about the top features about this platform, it is good to understand some key features about the particular platform before diving into it. So in this video, I'm going to review some best Mega HR cooling features for you to decide if it is the best AI website or platform for you. So let's check out some of the best top features on this platform. So one of those features is it comes with an AI screening together with an applicant tracking and human quality AI together with a interview intelligence and a interview scheduling. And talking about the pricing plan, it comes with its different type of plans. It comes with an explorer plan, a growth plan, enterprise plan, and that's it for now. So if you want to know much about the pricing plan, then the key features allocated to each plan, you can simply get back to the platform to check out each plan and to decide which of the plan is the best plan for your business. So that's it. Talking about the pros and cons, thinking about using a mega HR, it's smart to look at the good and bad side of it to see or to decide which part of this is fit for your business. So to talk about the good side of it, it's an AI that helps you save time, doing some difficult things and also help find better job candidate. To also keep all hiring organized well and make your hiring progress easier. Talking about the downside about this platform, which is the con side, which is might cost more for a big terms, and the AI might not be a perfect. So the AI help might not be perfect. So you still need to apply human power, and also the need for the internet work always, and learning all the features takes time. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website.